hard days, man, I can't complain. I'm still living and breathing. I love the job I'm leaving. And I just hit 3 green lights in a row on my way home. And I got a family that loves me, someone looking out up above me. And I still got some blue skies left to go. But I'm the Webster definition of what a lucky man is. When I take a look at all the things I take for granted.